You have got to be kidding me.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, girl, hey, boy, how you doing? How you feeling? We got a dupe, y'all. We got a dupe. We got a doopy dupe. So today I am reviewing this Zury Sis rich wig, and I wanted to review this wig because I recently reviewed Outre Breanne, and that wig kind of sold out, and we need options. We need options for when these wigs sell out, and we just need to review other companies. We don't need to stick to the same company. So I'm happy that I went through with the Zury Sis, because she's a winner, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I put this wig on real quick because my husband went to the gym, so I had to hurry up and make this video, tell y'all how I feel, and that's it. So give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. My kids are playing video games in the back. I'm trying to rush and get out this house. But give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started.
Just then.
You did all that work for nothing.
Y'all, I legit just was talking to the camera for like 10 minutes and swore I was recording, and I was not recording, and my daughter's laughing at me because she just said I did all that work for nothing. So, we're back. Let's try this again. Oh my God, I can't believe I wasn't recording!
You have got to be kidding me.
We're back. Okay, guys. I'm gonna say again, but it's not again for y'all, it's again for me. So this is the Zury Sis thin top lay flat style. I feel so silly. I can't believe I was talking to the camera. I legit just recorded the whole review. I wasn't recording. So sad. Alright, so I have Rich, and this is the color Sombre RT Butternut. This is the style Rich. I'm gonna try to give y'all the same energy that I was giving in that first one, because it was some good energy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read some specs. It says that it's a natural press texture, and yes guys, this texture is natural and it's pressed and it's a nice yak texture, and I'm feeling it. Yes, we are feeling this texture all day, every day, okay? So this is from the thin top lay flat series, and what that means is that the part right here is going to lay flat, and we like flat wigs. Because as you guys see, we go in with the hot comb and we be pressing it out to make it look more natural. But guess what? I didn't have to do all that because Zury Sis went ahead and flattened her out. And she is flat. And y'all see how flat? Look how flat that is. The top is flat. The top is flat. So I'm feeling that. So it says it's a free shift part. So I did go in on the side and I did curve this part. As you guys saw, I curved it a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural, but it says that you can put it in the middle, but I like side parts, and this is cute. It says it's a HD lace front. It does come with some lace in the front, and all right, so the knots are super duper thin in the front. Okay, so you're getting some really thin invisible knots, but what is up with this blunt part right here? Like, it was so pointless to put all these nice thin knots and not a nice gradient into this hairline. So it's really dense right there, but the fact that it's just a part wig, it's fine, it works, but that was just kind of pointless to me of the gradient. I don't know, lace. But it is melting into my scalp pretty good, and I do like that. Blah, 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 blah. And some nice other pretty colors, some browns, some reds, some naturals. And she's cute, so let's go ahead and talk about her again. Y'all, I just realized that my press-on nail fell off, so do not judge me, but I don't know where it is, and I'm not putting on another press-on right now because it's late. And we ain't doing all that. So when this wig first came out, it came out about a year ago. It was kind of in the $40 range, and I'm noticing some sites the price is dropping, which I like. I wish other companies would drop their wigs after a while of the wigs being out. Hint, hint, I'm just saying. But the price range from this wig looks like it's anywhere from the $45 range to like $25? $20, $30. It's a good price range. So this is a very affordable wig. So I got this wig because I recently did review Outre Breanne, and we all love Breanne. She was hitting, she was nice texture, she was nice flowing, she was everything, but this wig looks just like Breanne. So I was like, let me jump on her and see the difference. I wanted to give you guys an option of just in case Breanne is still sold out, because that wig is still sold out. That's from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, and that wig is still sold out, but this wig is still in stock on some websites, and she's still a nice wear. So let's not sleep on brands that we don't review all the time. There are some brands that we always be jumping on here talking about boom boom boom, this brand, but there's other brands out there, and y'all have to remember that there are other synthetic wig brands. So I think this wig is totally worth it. The cap feels really good on this wig. It is not too tight, it is not too snug. As far as the cut goes, like, it's like this nice like asymmetrical bob, which is really giving me Breanne vibes. I'll probably go in and layer this up a little bit more just so I can feather it. But I like her. I think she's super duper cute. She's flowing, like the texture, everything, it just feels good. I'm not getting much shedding on here. I think Zury Sis makes really good wigs, and I think sometimes we just sleep on these wigs. There's other wigs out there, guys. There's not just the wig that your favorite reviewer said, get this wig. There's other options out there, and there's plenty of dupes, so that's exactly why I had to get this wig, and I like her. I think she's cute. I did install this wig just with my bedhead spray, and I was rushing, y'all. My husband is on his way home from the gym, and I had to hurry up and put a wig on real quick, and I wanted to hurry up and film real quick too. So I put this wig on so easy. I just secured right here on the front. I didn't do anything on the side, and that's it. The lace doesn't come all the way down to the side, so you can't secure all the way down to the side. It kind of stops right here, so keep that in mind. If you do get this wig, you cannot secure it all the way down, but I think it's fine because you could pull out like your hair on the side here if you do have hair on the side. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about Miss Rich. I'm feeling real rich. I don't know if it's the blonde or it's the flow or what it is, but I'm feeling really richy in this wig. If you like my Lippie, again, I told y'all I am promoting myself for a while now. This is from the Juvia's Place Reds and Berries collection. I did do a review right here, so check the cards right here. This is the color Scarlet, so check out that review if you want, you know, some red lip options. Y'all drop some comments below. Let me know what y'all think. Give this video a thumbs up from me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all.